Lesson 1. What is metrology and why should you care? Metrology. From the Greek metron, meaning measure, and logos, meaning study. It's the science of measurement. Not just measuring things, but understanding how to measure accurately, reliably, and at scales so small the human eye can't see them. A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. You can't see that, but you're already surrounded by nanometers. The rainbow in a soap bubble, those colors come from a film about 200 to 300 nanometers thick. When it thins below 25 nanometers, it goes black and pops. The anti-glare coating on your glasses, about 100 nanometers per layer. Your phone's anti-fingerprint coating, about 10 nanometers thick. Every swipe depends on a layer you can't see, even with a regular microscope, so get the measurement wrong and things fail. Your phone works because someone measured every layer of the chip inside it at the nanometer scale and got it right. Your flight lands safely because jet engine blade coatings are measured in millionths of a meter. Wrong thickness, engine fails. Your medicine works because inhaled medication must be 1 to 5 micrometers to reach the lungs. Too big, it stays in your throat. Too small, you breathe it right back out. Every metrologist cares about 3 things. Accuracy. Did you get the right number? Repeatability. Do you get the same number every time? Traceability. Can you prove it matches a known reference? These 3 things allow a part made in Southeast Asia to fit perfectly into an assembly in Germany, even though no one in Germany ever touched it. That's not magic. That's metrology. But what about AI? Can't it just do all of this? AI can scan thousands of images and spot defects. It can find problems in data faster than any human. But AI cannot design a new measurement. It can't decide what to measure, how to, or why. And it can't reason through a failure it's never seen before. AI is a powerful tool, but a tool still needs someone who understands the measurement. You now know what metrology is and why it matters. This field pays well. Metrologists in manufacturing and QC earn 80 to 110,000. Process engineers in semiconductors, 120 to 170. Quality engineers in medical devices, 80 to 120. These industries are hiring globally, and this field isn't going away. Next up, how small is a nanometer, where we zoom from the world you can see all the way down to individual atoms.